Shit, am I gonna have to upload this to fucking YouTube? Alright, so let me try to show you what it does. Okay, so here, that's your sensitivity, speech recognition. I have it set so that I can hook it up to my computer, and then, okay, you see those lines? Obviously, that's your volume. I can make it so that it won't record until it gets to that level, or whatever. Now watch this, and these are all adjustable. It's incredible. Okay, you see that? How it's, when I stopped talking, it started pausing? The pause, watch. And you can, in the middle of the same recording, you can adjust it like that. It is the coolest friggin' thing. And even better, watch this. You can hit this index button if something significant happens. And look, you see those little two buttons there? I mean, two little things? Look, now it says index 05. And that'll jump right there in the future. And here you go, index 06. And you can just do it as many times as you want. It's really cool. And you can do it when it's paused. Index 10. Index no longer possible because it's recording. Not recording, I should say. And then in microphone sensitivity, let's see. Yeah, so you can't change that, and you can't change the quality when it's not when it's recording, I should say. The accurate term is when it's got an active file open, and it's not closed yet. You see how it's not closed yet? Well, it looks like it's about to close because we're at 7 minutes and 45 seconds. Oh no, wait, it says 1 hour for. Yeah, that's how much time I have left on the internal memory. I forgot how much memory that is, but I have got an hour at that quality level, which is insane. If you notice, it's 192K. It's not that insane, but let me say, shit, what happened? Oh, okay, so yeah, okay, so I'm gonna stop the file. See, now look what it did so that I can do all that stuff. Yeah, see, you can't really do anything there. That's the pause. And by the way, it has a remote, an infrared remote. Yeah, oh, by the way, you can do the volume up and down. See, so you can change that. And also, to stop it, you just hit stop. Okay, now it's stopping, and now it's saving the file. And it's saving and naming the file, and it's got all the details there. Now watch this. Okay, not only has it got an amazing organizing system, but watch this. Let's say I want to make a whole new recording. All I have to do is hit record again, but first, let's say you want to change your settings. Quality, right? Okay. Look at that. You can go through 8K, 64K, 96K, 192K, and wow, it's got all the way to that one. And here, yeah, speech recognition, conversation sensitivity, auto zoom sensitivity, PCM activated. Why did it say that? It's not supposed to do that. Hang on, this is really annoying. This video is not gonna be able to get uploaded. It's too freaking big now. Okay, auto zoom, lecture sensitivity. That's for Peterson, I'm sure. Oh, maybe I have to change this to yeah, maybe that will give more options. Long distance sensitivity level 4. That's manual. Dictate sensitivity activated. And that one we're aware of. Conversation and auto zoom. Yes, you saw that lecture. Okay. Long distance. Okay, let's see if PCM 4 offers any extra. Let's see. I didn't check that yet. This is all new to me. No, saw that. Saw that. Saw that. Saw that. Saw that. Yeah, none of that is new to me. But what's cool, and this is already almost 5 minutes, and you're not gonna watch this, I'm sure. So what you can do is See, you can, if you press 1, that actually goes back to, and then you can start playing and whatever. So here, if you want to start a new file, you hit record, and now look, holy crap, look at that. Now it says I've only got 13 minutes left. You see that? And oh, by the way, it's doing its pre-analysis of the environment. It's actually taking a survey of the environment. So that's called pre-recording, and that's what it does. Okay, and then you can set your mic sensitivity to whatever you want. Or no, you can't. That's the one that that's the highest. So yeah, you better use that feature, because now all of a sudden I've only got 13 minutes left at that quality level. So let's turn that off, because I don't feel like having to do more work. Did it stop? Yeah, see? Okay, so let's change the quality, and let's change it to 8. Okay, can we change this? Yeah. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, okay, because we're not recording? Okay, now we're recording. Alright, we are recording, and just to check, we are recording at the quality level of... Oh, look at that. We have 39 hours, 45 minutes, and 46 seconds. See? And... Oh, wait, hold on. Okay, there it is. And let's see, quality. Yeah, that's the quality. And lecture sensitivity, whatever that means. And you can still set your timing and all that stuff, your activation levels. You can still, I believe, set your index. Yep, you can still index it. But look at that, you got 39 hours. Okay. Let's see, menu. I don't think menu does anything though. No, I don't think it does. Okay, so yeah. Now if you hit play, I don't know what that does. What does that do? What the heck was that about? I don't know. Okay. Yeah, there's the details, blah, blah, blah. But, okay, look at it. It tells you all the details. This is so cool. But what I want to show you is... Okay. Yeah, I like to do at least 96K. And let's go to... Okay, this is the cool thing. And the index is pretty much pointless. So I'm going to hit stop, because that's supposed to actually... Go back to the whole thing, and yeah, there we go. File details. Yeah, okay, so this would give you the okay, so that gives you the ability to actually jump ahead. See? Index. It's pretty impressive. I'm not sure exactly how it works. Okay, so now here you can do a search. Okay, see? So there you go. You can search all your files there. Yeah. And if you want, you can play them full speed. And I don't know what split means. Error. I don't know what that means. Oh, repeat. I don't know what that means at all. Okay, auto adjust recording, mic sensitivity, wind filter, noise reduction, edit mode, silent recording, pre-recording. I don't know what oh, that means that it wait, see, I don't even know what this means. Voice activation? I'd have to read about that. Oh, you can set it to start recording at a particular time. Let's see what else it has. Language, whatever. Date and time, clear voice, equalizer, auto off, alarm. Record lamp. Oh, that's that LED at the top. See? Device sounds. I don't know what that means. Memory select. What does that mean? Oh, internal and micro SD. See, it says here, insert micro SD card. I don't have one. See?